na me yichiro no hwede abaduru e da na wohene ne se wohene ne se da bi emponche ne moa ekom school no e da no de abaduru ni de jomama ne ndisi ja okwa na me chiro no mama ndisi fo dada Ghana ya dada mo che Ghana ya wiam adwena che Ghana ya twam ntro che efiri enkura abram na ndisi dada Ghana sa jomama ne ndisi dada Ghana jomama was a president we here say media for no refi omunu so mo kan ya hello me nya short memory say o ndisi wona Ghana wo epic IMF na Ghana wo IMF Akufo Addo ba what say Ghana wo IMF enso Ghana for mu sesu Akufo Addo time we have a sickness which all over the world is struggling to fight this sickness. Coronavirus is hitting everywhere. But still Ghana Akufo Addo to me a project. Akufo Addo to me a Ukraine. Akufo Addo to me a 16153. Akufo Addo to me tiala once. Akufo Addo to me tia teacher foka. Tia doctor foka. Emo mi adwuma. Yes Ghana for Muslim Tana. Damn. Oka obisime ni atem. Oka obisime ni atem. En kiti dia nanado atem. Motimi abeka. En kiti Jonas mutie odi ayinfo atem. Ghanaians, none of Ghanaians, none of media personnel was able to come out to say, Accra ready dia tamo pacho. Moya na me kura me biecha. Na wa come out. We are stubborn than this boy. Ye yan krabon sin Jonas. Ye yan krabon sin David. Ye yan krabon sin G1. Ye yan krabon sin. Akwa bi na friend said Dr. Ren na no se bagayam. I can find a fachem what to me for some miniatem. Chale that thing pay me on. Chale some of us we are not like you people. That thing pay me on. The way the guys are behaving on social media all because of political agenda. Somebody is at their back telling them to insult a leader, a president, a father, a grandfather, a grandpa. Hey, now, master, tell him we now true. And when we say the back from bed, some of us, no, we don't tolerate nonsense. We don't tolerate nonsense. Me sitting here, I tell you, yet you want to appear that you made it in another attempt, another one, and then another president. Another don't care for this guy. Yet you want to tell the thing and I go for the attempt. I catch another sanity, and another any papa. Nobody was able to tell Kelvin Taylor to apologize. Nonsense Ghanaians. What do you want me to do? Then if I sit here to insult you, Jimmy Fona, me say I can pay for chale. Mimi Johnny Biedia, baby, I'm in Namsiano, a high. I tell you, a high pa. We are no Biafra MPP for me in action. Especially movie, and a Nabotre, and a Vato from.
Ye we are. Now, or no, a sebe. Me pacho, how long has Akufo Addo become president? Media minimum 4 years and some months. Our president. How long has Mr. Mahama been president and also vice? Only Atamel Sokoye. First term 4, second term 3.5. Ono ankasa so into only 7. Ono ankasa so sign bedi president. For 4 years. Me pato 7 plus 4 ya he. O the Atamils half time no. E kan ho a. Enye 12 years. Ah, what at all are we doing in Ghana? Seriously. What at all are we doing in Ghana? Just say yare ben ye yare in Ghana no. Obi ono wire number 1. Number 2 person in Ghana, you are the head of the economic management team, which Mr. Mahama has been. And his last interview, which he said his 6th form economics, shows he said 6th form economics no cry Papa Mahama kosuya and one shenimu and ye antene no when suya ni ye into who economics. As near the Ghana sick as a machine and sa. Until they call IMF no. Because for you to be the vice president, according to our constitution, you must be a bit versed in economics. And so we need economics kakra. Something about governance there and there. You must know that. Mr. Mahama, you are an MP. You have been part of the decision-making body of Ghana from Bole Bamboy, not today, not tomorrow. You didn't effect no change. You got the chance to become the president. The person who died so you will become president project. You abandoned and didn't touch it. I.e. Saglime. I.e. University of Ghana Medical Center. I.e. gas oh me brother Nkopo and then me near you know. Fuck man. I wanted this gas plant that Atamel started. Atamel was working on those gas plants and stuff like that. You couldn't complete. The owu ma ubedi ade krano, Mr. JM, you were not able to glorify the man and glorify Fanti Confederation by finishing his project. To even show how incompetent Mr. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is, the person who died for him to become president, the grave at which he was laid to rest, supposed to be Asumdwe Park, with all the semantics and the meanderings they said, couldn't even keep it clean to keep the man's soul in peace. They couldn't. It has to take an NDC person, Kuku Anidoho, to say, Nana Akufo Addo, please help me because Professor Mel so Sabe, where's your man no do denti, woman shen and unyam kakra. And that is the part that kills me about my Fanti people. That is the thing that, because look at NDC. Look how many vices they have taken. Aka, meboa. Fanti for NDC for alpha vices. So look at the Fanti, look at Cape Coast. Look at Central Region, our development. Look at the Gomoa lands. The development ayenya. The development ayenya. Obi ayesi oya achim sakawa o. Achim sakawa. Onye papa. Mon hwede Nyankopon afa ne so a odi hira Ghana. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama came and told us, say, ye charge your phones dodo. When he couldn't keep the lights on. Ghana for you fee. There was no single project this man started and said I was able to finish. The owie ya no so a. Ensio to na yiri a. Enframa bo a na peja. Obi baby sa dey na woka san kwasi asem sa me pa cho ye no kure. Circle Dubai e koso yen $260 American dollars. 260 million. Hey, Ghana. Bahama. Whoa. 260 United States dollars for Circle Dubai. Are you fucking kidding me? Why do we do this? The politics here, rather. We to make politics and ABA. Now, which one was why so I infuse in the baby? This is sad. It is like say Obi Albert na ho wanya adwuma. Na ono afri ono obi ya adwuma. No mo timi gina wa totobo oba park na say adan na